Hi everybody, it's Miss Blake again, and this is a Canvas video. So we are at the login page for Canvas, and you're going to enter in your username and your password. And up will pop your specific home page. So you'll have a tab for every class that you're taking. You're going to find ours, 10 Reasons to Study English. Click on it, and it'll take you to the English home page. Now I'm going to go over the important tabs that you need to know that are specific for this class. Here is your home page. This is where you can see recent activity that you've done or announce what I've sent you. You can see your to-do list. You can click on announcements. Now I haven't sent any out but I will, and this is where you can find all of them. So if you want to reread an announcement, you have them available for you. Assignments. This is where you will find folders for every assignment. That includes quizzes and your online discussion topics, your ODT. So say that you are going to work on your first ODT, 1A. You're going to find the correct box, click on the title, and up it pops. So for your first online discussion topic, it's going to be about you. So here you'll find the post, tell the class about yourself, and you find my response. Here you go. Oh, pretty picture. And then for you to reply to me, you're going to go to this button right here that says reply. You're going to click on it, and up will pop a space for you to reply. Once you're done, you'll click the post reply. Okay. Now, to reply to a peer, you'll find a peer that you want to reply to, that you think is cool or you have questions about, and you hit the reply button. And up pops another box for you to type. Once you're done replying to your peer, you post a reply again. Okay? It's that simple. So that's how you do a discussion. You can check your grades. Now I'm not going to bring that up because as a teacher I see everyone's grades and you're not going to. Files. This is where I will post the syllabus and any instructions. So you can find them all here. This is where you'll also find the first 2 weeks of reading homework. I upload the first 2 weeks of reading homework because I know that you guys probably haven't gotten the book yet and you've been ordering them and you're waiting for them to come. So here they are. It's only the first 2 weeks. After the first 2 weeks, I expect you to either have the books or make some sort of negotiation with a classmate. Here you'll find quizzes. This is where you have a tab for every quiz. And your first quiz will be on the syllabus. So hopefully you saw the previous video that went over the syllabus. You can always refer to the video and or the actual document syllabus as you're taking the quiz. No, that's not cheating. This is an online class and you're taking the quizzes online. I expect you to do that. You can also do the same thing for when you're doing your reading homework. Now, there's not enough time to read as you take the quiz. I highly, highly encourage you to read the homework first and then have it out there as you're taking the quiz. Okay? The questions do follow in chronological order, so you don't have to flip back and forth. I'm not that mean. All right? And for the points for the quiz. Now, you can see that every question is worth a specific amount of points. Right? That point number will tell you how many correct answers there are. So if a question is worth 1 point, 1 answer. If a question is worth 2 points, 2. And so forth. I only go up to 4 because that's enough. Right? Now for the quizzes, they are timed and you only get to take them once. So again, this is why I encourage you to read before you take the quiz. All right? And then I haven't gotten them set up yet, but modules, this is where you will follow the units, basically. Every essay is going to be in its own specific unit, so it'll be your assignments and some readings, my explanations, your in-class activities, your grammar, peer edits, all of that will follow in a specific unit for each essay. So you'll find the module for the essay that we're working on, and then you'll see everything that you have to do. Right? So those are the tabs that you want to pay attention to for our class. Right? Now, as I said, your first discussion is about yourself. So don't forget to fill out the English Bingo icebreaker right here. Right? You can find this document under Files. You can also find it attached to the discussion itself. I'm going to fill it out. You're going to fill it out. You're going to upload it. And we're going to learn more about each other. All right? I look forward to it. Have a great day.